let's get into 3 picks that these institutions are going to pump. Institutions are here, and you can feel it in the market right now. This cycle, it isn't just about the retail hype. Institutions, its mandates, and its billion-dollar capital flow is finally opening up. Big money now has clean ways to enter the crypto market. And here's the key. They don't want the experiments. They want wins that they can explain in a boardroom. Tokens with track records, visible leadership, and narratives that tend to fit neatly on a PowerPoint slide. And once those flows start, they tend to snowball fast. Welcome back to JRNY TV. My name is Nick, and this is where we cut through the noise and we spotlight what really moves the markets. Today we are looking at the 3 picks that institutions are likely to love. Projects with the fundamentals, the brand power, and the room to run compared to mega caps. Across this video, we're going to be breaking down why the easy win filter matters, which assets fit the ETF institutional playbook, and why ADA, Litecoin, and Pengu, that cute little adorable penguin, tends to check all of those boxes that most others don't. ADA, a token that institutions can trust. ADA, or Cardano, has one of the strongest cases for institutional adoption. Fact, it's mature, it is decentralized, and governance-driven. Qualities that risk committees love. The recent Voltaire upgrade added on-chain voting and treasury management, giving ADA a very clear identity as more than just a token. It is a governance asset. Right now, ADA trades in the low 80 cents, with momentum building, strong momentum. Just this week, it ranked 3rd in Grayscale's performance charts, and Polymarket puts ADA ETF approval odds at 75% ahead of the SEC's August deadline. Institutions, they're already moving fast. $157 million in whale-sized transactions recently pushed wallets above 10% of total supply. Even BlackRock, they're exploring Cardano ETF options. The bottom line here, ADA, it ticks every single institutional box. ETF ready, decentralized, and growing beyond speculation. If credible upside is the brief, ADA is near the top of that list. Litecoin, silver poised for a pump. Litecoin is re-emerging as a safe bet for institutional inflows. Earlier this month, Litecoin spiked 40% to nearly 128 after MEI Pharma revealed a $100 million treasury allocation into Litecoin. Clear evidence institutions see as trustworthy. And since then, Litecoin has held strong above $120, showing resilience and bullish momentum. The ETF angle adds fuel. Rocket Fuel, Grayscale Canary Capital, and CoinShares have all filed Litecoin ETF proposals, with odds pegged at over 80%. This is Coinbase ETF level attention, but at a lower market cap with more upside potential. Litecoin always wins on fundamentals, fast, cheap, and private, thanks to the MWeb upgrade. Litecoin already processes 14 to 15% of CoinGate crypto payments. Second, only to Bitcoin, with low fees and quick block times. Positioned as silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin combines adoption, trust, and liquidity, perfect for institutions that are hunting for those easy wins. Pengu, the IP wildcard. Pudgy Penguin's Pengu token is the curveball here, but that's why it stands out. Trading around 4 cents with a $2.2 billion market cap, it is small compared to Ethereum or Bitcoin, but backed by very recognizable IP. In July, Pengu soared 200% even as other meme coins lag, showing that it is much more than just a passing trend. Rumors are saying that Canary Capital filed a hybrid Pengu NFT ETF proposal, mixing tokens with Pudgy Penguin NFTs, and that gives institutions a very clean, brand authentic way to tap meme culture. But Pengu, it's not running on hype alone. Igloo Incorporated, backed by Founders Fund, Fenbushi, and 1KX, is scaling the brand with Walmart toy lines, Pudgy World, a browser game on its abstract L2 chain, and broader social integrations. On charts, Pengu is consolidating near 4 cents in a cup pattern, with short-term targets near 5 to 7 cents, and some bullish calls stretching over 20 cents. So with IP strength and ETF optics, this wildcard, it could deliver institutional-grade upside. The institutional playbook. We're at the start of a new phase in crypto here, okay? So where institutional adoption expands beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is new territory. The next wave, it will tend to favor the assets with the fundamentals, the cultural weight, and the market cap headroom. And that's why ADA, Litecoin, and Pengu all made the list. Each cover a different angle: regulatory positioning, legacy trust, and brand-driven community power. Institutional pumps aren't retail FOMO. They're strategic, capital heavy, and often create new price floors that tend to last. So if you position before the flows, you're not just catching a wave, you're riding a tide that can last for years. So the question here is, will you be early, or are you going to be waiting for the headlines to hit and prices to double? In crypto, the early bird doesn't just get the worm, it gets the 10x. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and keep it locked here on JRNY TV for plays before the rest of the market catches on.